So here we have given in a hostel 150 students have enough food for 90 days. How many students should be added in a hostel so that the food is enough for only 75 days? So here is a relation between the number of students and number of days. So 150 students have enough food for 90 days, so it is 90. In second condition, how many students should be added? So already we have 150 students. Suppose the added number of students is x. So now the food is enough for 75 days. So here number of students and food number and days are indirect relation. So here is indirect relation between the number of students and days. So 150 plus x by 150 is equals 90 by 75. So in case of indirect relation, we can just change these terms. So now 150 plus x is equals 90 by 75. 150 in divide, move in opposite side, it becomes multiply. So now we can cancel. So 25 times 3 mean 75. 75 directly we can cancel. 150 divided by 75 we get 2. So now 150 plus x is equals 90 times 2 mean it is 180. So x is equals this 180, this 150 in plus, move in opposite side, it becomes minus. So x is equals to 30 days. So number of students that should be added is 30 so that the food is enough for only 75 days. So this much for today and thanks for watching.